Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the SirLinksalot channel. My name is Artemis, and today we're going to be tackling a challenge that keeps every SEO, including myself, up at night sometimes. You know, when your search rankings suddenly plummet and you can't figure out why. So today in this video, we're going to explain to you how you can troubleshoot that and, more importantly, what you're going to do to fix it. According to industry data, over 50% of ranking drops are due to technical issues that you can diagnose in Google Search Console. So we'll go ahead and let you guys know what those are and how to fix them. Discovering these hidden pitfalls quickly can mean the difference between a temporary dip and a revenue-crushing free fall, so pay attention. Now, search rankings in general can actually drop for many reasons, from the algorithm updates to on-page errors or lost backlinks. It could be any of these. Now, algorithm changes actually shift how Google evaluates relevance and quality, sneaking in new factors that you didn't plan for. So it's common for these fluctuations to happen. Now, when I mention technical issues, I'm talking about things like crawl errors, blocked resources, or indexing glitches. These can actually make your pages almost invisible overnight. Content relevant signals may also weaken if your competitors update and refresh their content more than you do. And one that we here at SirLinksalot are particularly astute to is the fact that backlink profiles that lose high-value links can erode your authority, which triggers ranking declines. Now, the first step to creating a plan of attack is to actually monitor and log traffic drops. Start by setting up your monitoring to catch these drops as they happen. So this includes using Google Search Analytics to flag significant traffic declines compared to a rolling 28-day average. From here, you can actually leverage Search Console's performance report to pinpoint affected queries and pages and export the data for trend analysis. Then you can go ahead and implement automated alerts via email or Slack for any decline beyond your threshold, which is typically a 10% week-over-week decline. Step 2, check for algorithm updates. So whenever you spot a drop, consult a reliable algorithm update timeline. Resources like Conductor maintain live trackers of known Google updates that may align with your decline date. Now, correlate these algorithm drop dates with update announcements, and if they match, your recovery plan should just focus on aligning them with the new quality guidelines. The next step is doing a technical audit in Search Console. Dive into Google Search Console's coverage and URL inspection tools. From here, you're going to review the coverage to identify newly crawled but not indexed or excluded pages, because these errors can often cause sudden invisibility. Use URL inspection on key landing pages to see live indexing updates, rendered HTML, and any blocked resource. From here, you're going to want to check core web vitals and mobile usability reports under enhancements. Poor page speed and mobile errors can trigger ranking penalties after recent Google updates. This is super common, by the way. Now, where content and on-page review is concerned, you're going to want to, first and foremost, assess whether your content still meets user intent and quality benchmarks. These are ever-changing, so you definitely want to make sure that you are always staying updated and have everything where it needs to be. Next up is content and on-page review. Assess first and foremost whether your content still meets user intent and quality benchmarks, which are ever fluctuating, so you definitely want to stay on top of it. Compare your pages to competitors who are ranking above you. So you're going to want to look for depth, freshness, and above all, topical authority. Now it's time to update stale statistics, add new insights, and expand sections to cover related subtopics. Ensure that the title tags and meta descriptions remain compelling and aligned with the revised search intent. As I mentioned before, backlink profile analysis is also a super important part of this because a sudden loss of backlinks can trigger ranking drop. Make sure that you're using Ahrefs or Moz Link Explorer to track lost backlinks and lost referring domains that happened around the date of your declined traffic. Reach out to webmasters for link reinstatement or update your content to earn new backlinks that replace the lost authority. Now, for an in-depth analysis, let's build a Google Data Studio dashboard feeding Search Console data. This is because it's super important to track impressions, clicks, average position, and CTR by page over time to visualize drop patterns. Layer in core web vitals and search query segments to uncover hidden correlations between UX metrics and ranking shifts. Now let's put it all together and give you your recovery workflow for this drop in traffic. First of all, we're identifying the problem. Monitor drop alerts in Analytics and in Search Console as well. Secondly, we are correlating the data, so match the drop timelines against the known algorithm updates to see if there's any correlation there. The third step is your audit, so run technical checks for indexation and UX issues in Search Console. The fourth step is to update. So this looks like refreshing content to match the current intent and quality standards because those are step 5, rebuilding. So this is recovering lost links or pursuing new authoritative backlinks. And for step 6 is the reporting step. So this is visualizing trends in Data Studio and then iterating on your finding. We know more than anybody that a search ranking drop can feel catastrophic sometimes. But armed with these diagnostic steps and recovery tactics, you'll pinpoint the root causes and restore your traffic with confidence. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know your biggest ranking drop challenge in the comments below. You can also follow us for more actionable SEO strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember, swift analysis equals swift recovery. We will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!